Hello friends, Hastani Jobs YouTube channel no rojotno lamsogo fighting ke sangtine katal job ni notification alinai notification ka IIFL samosto finance bank ni bisingtina katal post ni mungka customer relationship officer te branch manager lajaknai customer relationship officer ni bagai qualification nangnai class 12 pass khajanangnai as living hinke 18 years ni simi 33 years jati jaratanai tenro o post ni bagai apply khlaimanai fresher bo post ni bagai apply khlaimanai te experience sanjatango 1 year in MFI MBFC khajatong kendro post ni bagai apply khlaimanai te branch manager ni bagai ke qualification graduate khajanangnai te age limit hinke 22 ni simi 30 years jate jaratanai tenro branch manager post ni bagai apply khlaimanai te ST HC rongke 3 years realization rejaknai o post ni bagai 3 years in MFI NBFC post ni experience no kendro post ni bagai apply khlaimanai kajang wall in interview ni location na lenai wall in interview ni location jatango Udaipur hinke 7 September 2022 tarik no interview lajaknai re contact number jatango o contact number call khlainaro job ni details na kaham ke sangoi oro interview ni bagai branch address jatango 1 nong Fulkumari Canal Chumohoni Udaipur South Tripura pin number jatango o address thangai ni norok jara interview reni mujugui tongnai tenero o address thangai interview rebaidi Bishalgarh location ni bagai hinke 9 September 2022 tarik no interview lajaknai contact number jatango oro norok call khaina details sangai bini address jatango village Jangalia Bishalgarh Sipahijala Tripura pin number jatango o address thangani norok wall in interview marinai Agartala location ni bagai hinke 10 September 2022 tarik no wall in interview lajaknai contact number jatango o contact number call khai norok job ni details na sangai te interview ni rini thangbadi address jatango Daleshwar road number 12 near Chandrapur Masjid Agartala Tripura pin number jatango o address no wall in interview lajaknai hinke friends jara customer relationship officer te branch manager post ni bagai interview roni mujugui tanai te interview rona sakang mobile number jatango o mobile number contact khlai te job ni details sangai na norok o address thangai na interview roni thangbai di salary ni bagai oro benefits jatango te noro benefits na kaham kena porainai di te wall in interview ni thangpuro loge telanangnai updates resume mane biodata form Aadhaar card PAN card photo driving license 10 to last qualification certificate lanangnai te last 3 month experience salary slip tongkhe norok omoti hai interview ni thangpuro document lananangnai thangnai to friends norok nugui mankana IIFL samosto finance bank ni bisingtina katal post ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai Hastani Jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlai support khai di